and simple. We're going into the bedroom. Wait, well guys, this is my closet for the week. My bed, it's like 2 double bed put together. Hey. My luggage, got a lot of stuff. Let's see if I could open the door. It's like you push up and you pull. This is the balcony. It is a beautiful day in paradise, y'all. Bam. Bam. How way I go?
Where are you going? How are your name?
Where your name? What's your name?
Come on, guys. You guys sleeping already?
You want to be wrong with something now, take your knuckle to a fight. But my seat from your steps.
Let's go, we go! Alright, feet out and lean back going down. Push your feet in front and lean back. Come on, jet ski. Come on, rodeo. Rodeo.
All right, cut the coconut. Woo. Thank you.
And even though we are fight sometimes too, I know some love you. Anytime me say me need you, me mean it.
Make them ball out, just and I make got the girls and power. Here we pull on my ass in my Zaga, zaga, zaga.
This is my last time to see this view, guys. I'm so sad, but it's time to go back to USA. I'm excited to go back to Florida. Solo vacations are fun, but after a while you're like, I need to connect with my people. But yeah, I had a great vacation. Going back to hot weather in Florida. It's gonna be like 96 degrees, but this view is breathtaking. I'm gonna miss it so much, guys. Goodbye, Jamaica.